Hello, this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. A big water heater tank for you guys. This is from TEKA, Spain, German brand. This one, European brand. The model number you can see here. This is EWH 80 volt VED. It's a lovely looking machine. You can see I have to wait for this one. 5 years guarantee from TEKA, Spain. Lovely looking box, heavy one. Okay, I bought in Amazon, so it has arrived. So box is a big one. You need normally 2 person to carry this one. Okay, you have to put vertical here, and this is 80 liter of water in this case. More information this side, you can see dimension 450 millimeter, and the height, that is white. This is height 791 millimeter, color white. Okay, it 23.99 kilos. When you put on the wall, better 2 person, not 1 person. So I'm gonna take this off and I will show you how it is. We'll cut here this and we'll show you. Here we go. This one as well is gone from here. This side of the middle as well. All looks good. Let me take this off from here. Show you what is coming in the box. Okay, here at the top, this is some tool. Here, this is some water, some connector joint for mount on the wall. Heavy. These are heavy, so they have sent heavy things here. This is for clean water. It's a flush, something as this. If you have to release all the water, you need to assemble this one at the middle. Interesting, lovely. So more or less it has come prepared, everything. Take this off from the middle. It has a plug, and here this side, before taking out, I can show you. The red one for the hot water, blue for the cold water. Should have a display. Show you from here. Display here. Lovely. Lovely display here. Button, you can see. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna assemble. I will show you how it is. I don't think so anything else normal in the box. See guys, I take out the box there. Vertical way, 80 liter is written. Smart protection with the water, 5 years of guarantee. Smart control, I don't know, I have to check that. Maybe you can control with the phone or is automatic, something as this. More information here. Here this part will go to the wall, and the plug. This one here. See, this will go to the wall, this part. Okay, so we have to see. So we'll assemble and I will show you guys. So okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care, till then, bye bye.